Remove makeup on the face and the neck for 2 minutes. Remove keratin on the face and the neck for 2 minutes. Clean the face with face wash for 2 minutes. Clean the face for 2 minutes. Apply toner 1 minute. Soft massage operation. Apply export cream on the face evenly to massage and detox for 10 minutes. Move in circles from the forehead to the periocular areas for 3 circles. Then move from the forehead to the corner of the eye, to the nose wing, to the corner of the mouth, and to the chin. Lift at the jawline and push the Yifeng TE17 acupoint, which is at the area behind the ear. Then slide to the side of the neck. Operate for 1 time. Put both hands with kneeling fists on the jawline, with thumbs under the lower lip. Hold the jawline between the thumb and the fist. Lift from chin to the area behind the ear. Operate for 3 times. Use the ring fingers and the middle fingers of both hands to hold the sides of the chin. Lift alternately to the earlobe for 5 to 8 times. Use catwalk with fingers at the corner of the mouth. Lift the nasolabial folds for 3 to 5 times. Pluck the face with both hands slowly for 3 to 5 times. Lift slowly from the chin to the temples with crossing hands for 3 to 5 times. Move in circles around the eyes with both hands for 3 times. Use the ring fingers and the middle fingers of both hands in scissor shape alternately. Lift from the eye to the temple for 3 to 5 times. Move in number 8 shape with both hands. Push the temples for 3 to 5 times. Use the ring fingers of both hands to push acupoints. Jinmin BL1, 喘足 BL2, 鱼腰 EM3, 丝足空 TE23, and the temple for 3 times. Move in circles with both hands around the eyes and caress the eyes for 3 times. Lift with both palms from the forehead to the hairline for 3 times. Lift with crossing hands alternately from the chin to the area behind the ear, from the chin to the temple. Operate for 3 times. On one side, lift from the chin, pass the area behind the ear to the side and the neck for 3 times. Massage the ear. Move upwards in circles from the earlobe for 2 to 3 times. Cover the ear with hands for 1 to 2 seconds, then move away. Repeat for 3 times. Clean the face. Apply massage cream on the face evenly. Relax the face. Select vacuum and RF head in S size. Set the time to 3 minutes. Set RF energy to 4. Set RF mode to NOR. Set section to 40%. Set section time to 0.6. Set release time to 0.3. Please note, adjust the section according to one's feeling. Lift upwards from the chin to the forehead. Lift at the whole face, one line next to another, for 3 times. Get ready for the facial tightening and lifting. Set the time to 8 minutes. Set RF energy to 5. Set RF mode to PRO. Set the section to 20%. Set the section time to 0.5. Set the release time to 0. Please note, keep the section between 20% to 30%. Avoid getting purple or red marks. Combine with hand. Lift from the chin to the temple, from the chin to the earlobe, from the corner of the mouth to the ear gate, from the nose wing to the temple, from the lower eyelid to the temple. Lift the corner of the eye. Operate for 3 times. Do the same to the other side. Lift from the forehead to the hairline. Clean the face for 2 minutes. Apply the facial mask and use blue LED repairing for 15 minutes. Take off the facial mask and clean the face for 2 minutes. Apply toner, essence, face cream, and sunscreen.